Welcome to Microcare Academy. In today's video, we're diving into the world of SQL normalization. Whether you're a beginner in databases or a fresher preparing for a job interview, you're in the right place. Normalization in SQL is a database design technique. It involves breaking down large tables into smaller related tables and defining relationships between them. By normalization, data redundancy is minimized, data integrity is maintained, and data manipulation becomes more efficient. What is data redundancy? Data redundancy refers to the duplication of data in a database. It occurs when the same piece of data is stored in multiple records within the same database. In order to reduce data redundancy and maintain data integrity, it's essential to follow a structured approach. This is where commonly used normal forms come into play. Let's go through the process of normalization with an example. Consider a simple database for a library. You want to keep track of books, authors, and the library members who borrow books. Initially, you have all this information in a single table called library. In this unnormalized table, there is data redundancy. For example, author X is repeated, and the same author is associated with multiple books. To normalize this data, we'll follow these steps. Step 1. First normal form. A table is in first normal form if it does not contain repeating groups. To achieve first normal form, we split the library table into 3 separate tables: books, authors, and members. Step 2. Second normal form. A table is in second normal form if it is in first normal form and all non-key attributes are fully functionally dependent on the primary key. In this example, the books table is already in second normal form. Because both the book ID and author ID together form the primary key, it means that each combination of book ID and author ID must be unique in the table. In this case, title is functionally dependent on the entire primary key, book ID, author ID. Because each book's title is uniquely determined by both its book ID and author ID. Step 3. Third normal form. A table is in third normal form if it is in second normal form and all non-key attributes are dependent only on the primary key. In the members table, all attributes are dependent only on the primary key, member ID, so it's already in third normal form. The authors table is also in third normal form, since author depends solely on the primary key, author ID. So, by normalizing the initial unnormalized table, we have eliminated data redundancy and organized the data into separate tables with well-defined relationships. This improves data integrity and makes the database more maintainable and efficient. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this content helpful. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell.